invited all of us over to cook. He's cooking for us, and we appreciate it.
Facts.
Yeah. Yeah, Aaron, why don't you tell us what's on the menu for tonight?
So the menu tonight, how's my lighting? It's good? All right. So the menu tonight basically is we're gonna have chicken thighs, nice and juicy, a little bit of fat, seasoned nicely, and crispy. I'm gonna actually bake them for about 40 minutes in a 425-degree oven. We're gonna have some rainbow carrots, some peppers, some Brussels sprouts, some sweet Japanese sweet potatoes, and we're gonna also have a nice salad with balsamic and lemon vinaigrette, and some plantains. You know I can't do anything without plantains, so
Right on.
we're gonna keep it real authentic, a little Caribbean roots, and some fun. So. Carrots got some different colors here.
What is up, Doc?
You know, so for the rabbits, no, but this is basically it's just a similar, I guess the same species of carrot, just like a little bit of a different kind of variety. So, hope you guys like it. All right. I'm gonna chop some more actually, but I'm going to.
So Aaron, how long have you been cooking for?
You know what?
I don't think the fans know. I don't think they know.
I've been cooking probably for about basically since I can remember. I started cooking pretty young, and been doing like just meals at home, and then just kind of like basically out of necessity started cooking more.
Right.
So it's been a pleasurable experience, but also a pragmatic thing too. So, you know, and it's a good meet people, make friends, and I think if you feed somebody, people always remember how you make them feel, right? So, they don't know what you did sometimes, but they know how you made them feel.
Talking always.
Right?
That's great. That's great.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
That. I'm gonna take some salt and pepper.
I like it. Happy.
mushrooms. So I'm basically adding some seasoning, some salt, pepper, some olive oil, and I'm gonna add some balsamic vinegar as well to give it a nice hearty flavor profile, really nicely balanced, and to really give it some great kick too. basically I'm just adding some mixture of sweet potatoes, carrots.
It is $1 for gas, and I'm gonna speak about honesty.
No.
Friends allowed. I'm playing. I'm working.
No. It's a direction.
I'm playing. It's directional mic.
This is a directional mic.
It's a directional mic. It's a process. I'm an artist.
Oh, here's your microphone.
Huh?
Your microphone.
It's on there.
Oh,
I'm an artist and I'm sensitive. So basically,